Install the battery and connect well the sensor. Press the power menu key to turn on. The instrument will calibrate automatically. The value shown as 0 is OK. When measuring, fill the cup with the object to be measured. Cover the cup lid and slowly press down. When sound 1 beep means complete 1 times measurement. Select is the code selection key. When measuring, press the increase and decrease keys to select the corresponding code, and then press select to exit. Read is the reading key. Press the increase and decrease keys to view the measurement data in reading mode. Pressing the del delete key to delete the measurement data. After measurement, press the power menu key to turn off. Pull out the measured object. Clean the cup with a brush, then cover the cup lid.